dropped earbuds. It's for my older kids. One I got for them. They're still taking it. So I don't know if she will take this one. I don't know. This is malaria drug. I don't know if she will take it. But tomorrow I'll see how I'll do for her. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Those that refuse to talk to me but are watching me, I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you for coming. I would like you to tell me where you're watching me from so that I can say hi to you. Hello, how are you? You want to join my life? You want to say hi? You see your face now. Come now. Let's see your face. What happened? Eh? Go and stay with them now. Okay. Yes, I'll get syrup for her. Yes, amen. Amen to your prayers, mommy. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Hubby don't want to say hello. Mommy is saying hello to you, hubby. You don't want to say hello? Maybe some other day he'll say hello. He's having sleepy eyes. So she's telling me it's night, oh, I should go and sleep. It's night, oh, go and sleep, this woman. Me and my YouTube business. Ah, God. This YouTube must pay me. If not, YouTube, you have to pay me. Let me say my hobby is same way. YouTube, you must pay me so that my hobby will see it and believe in what I'm doing. Because he's still thinking that I'm joking. He's calling this a joke and waste of time. So I don't really know. I want to mama na just a being dinner. Yeah? Yeah, kaya na dinner now. I di balko. Hey. To please kill yourself. Hi, Obi small. Hey, God, Obi small. No be small wasted data. God, all this my data that I'm wasting. Let it not be. YouTube pay me. YouTube must pay me. YouTube must pay me. So guys, I have to go now. Mommy, I want to go now. So I can take care of this small baby. You want to suck? You have stopped sucking. Have you forgotten that we have stopped breastfeeding? Yeah. I'll have to go, guys. Thank you all so much for your support. Mommy, thank you for your prayers. Okay. I'll not be with family. Let me just give you small egg. Thank you, everybody. Amen. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, mommy. Thank you for your support tonight. I don't take it for granted. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you for watching my video.